Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take this image and turn it into this video. Take this image and make this into this video. And make this rocket soar to the skies. So how is this all possible, you ask? Let's head over to Stability AI to learn more. Stability AI has just released Stable Video Diffusion a couple weeks ago, and it's the company that brought you text to image is now going to bring you text to video. They are really taking it to another level, and already this looks amazing. Just check out what they have in store for us. Ice Dragon in the mountains. Look at that astronaut walking on the moon, and this is all AI generated, and it looks absolutely incredible. You can see all the different things you can do with it, and I'm going to show you in this video a few things we can do right now. It's not fully functional, but you can already take a run through and check things out for yourself. Now you can see up here Stability AI has released all the code for Stable Video Diffusion. It's on their GitHub site, which you can see here. This is all the code. You can download this onto your local machine. It is a bit intensive. You will need some obviously coding knowledge and much more, but for today's video I'm just going to show you how to do this quick and simple and get an idea of what is to come from Stability AI. So here I'm going to replicate.com, Stability AI, Stable Video Diffusion, and on this page it's already running the new Stability AI code, the Stable Video Diffusion code, and we can easily run through some tests. And this is where I got those demos you saw at the start screen. As you can see, they are pretty amazing. These are just simple images that turn into videos, and I can add in my own images and try those out. So I'm just going to click on demo. So here we have the rocket ship, and here's the rocket ship taking off, which you saw earlier, and I want to change this to my own picture. So let me go to my files, and I already got put together a few demo examples. So here is a plane. Let's see what happens with this plane. If I can get this plane to make some movements. Looks like a Delta SkyTeam plane. And down below you see we have some options here: video length, sizing strategy, frames per second, motion bucket, decoding, seed integer. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just gonna, as you can see, we've uploaded the picture, and I'm just gonna go down here and hit run. And back up here on the right side you will see we got some stuff happening here. The wheel is turning, and it's gonna take anywhere from 30 seconds to maybe a minute and a half. As you can see, this can take sometimes 3 to 5 minutes while the model boots up. Okay, as you can see, things are happening. We are up to 50%. We're halfway home. And that's it. And there we have it. Look at that. That's pretty good, huh? So there's our plane. I guess it's landing. I don't know, but it's pretty well done. So that's just an example of a plane. Let me try something a little bit different. Let's do this bird, and actually let's go to the boat. We'll do the boat, and there we have it. And I'm just going to go back down here and click on run. Go back up to the top, and you will see it's starting our process once again. I'll be up to 12%. Actually a pretty nice picture of a boat in a river going through a town. That's probably not where I live, which is in Florida. Doesn't look like Florida, does it? No. That is not Florida. That's probably somewhere in upstate New York. No, it's not upstate New York either. um, okay, so we are already at 70%. This one's going a little bit quicker than our plane. I probably jinxed it. No, I didn't. We're up at 90%. Not upstate New York. Well, I guess maybe it got flooded, maybe, but no, that's terrible. Don't say that. Okay, wow, look at that. That's actually really, really cool. So imagine, you took a picture of your little vacation and now you want to add some motion to it. That's actually pretty well done. Okay, so let's try this last example. I'm going to take this bird. Pretty good picture of a bird. And let's, so you have different video lengths here. We're going to do the 25 frames. And let's try that one out. And you can play around with all these options as you see fit. Frames per second, I mean, some of them are pretty self-explanatory, but SVDXT is going to give you a little better bang for your buck. And of course, speaking of bucks, this is free on Replicate, which is great. Although there are some limitations. There's not a lot you can do with it, but again, this just came out a couple weeks ago. So in the coming weeks and months, there will be a lot more options and availability. As you can see, this is going a little bit slower than our previous two examples. Okay, so we are back. Wow, check that out. That is actually really cool. Of course, a little bit of slow motion, but that's actually very, very awesome. So again, just take a still shot of a bird and look what happened. We can make it into motion. That is really, really cool. I mean, so this stuff was not available a year ago, which is quite amazing to think what is going to be available in the future. And what you can also do is go down here and download it as an MP4 file. I can just click download. Oh, it's already downloaded. As well as obviously change it and share it and do other stuff to it as you wish. And I would be remiss in not mentioning Pika Labs has also released its new text to video platform. It just came out on November 28th, about a week after the Stability AI announcement, and just running some of this, it is amazing. And again, this looks real. Look at that. That looks real, but this is AI. And this stuff wasn't publicly available a year ago, let alone 6 months ago. So again, just think about what it's going to be like in another 6 months, another year, 2 years. I mean, you can just type in words into the box and get a video. So that is Pika Labs. That's another option. So that was Pika Labs. We're back on Stability AI. There's also Runway, which is another leader in the AI video creation space. So you have three options. There's probably a few others I've left out, actually probably many others. But you can play around, have some fun with it. And a lot of these are changing every week, every month. There'll be so many different iterations of all these different platforms, but it's really exciting. And if you have any of the great platforms, please leave them in the comments. Or maybe you've made something fantastic you want to share. Leave that down below. But thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.